doggy. Hey. Good morning. Can you tell it's very early in the morning by the fact that I've just woken up? So today we're going to travel from London Gatwick over to Tenerife. Also today I'm going solo. I'm flying solo. Jasmine is going to drop me off at the airport, bless her, and it's only for 3 days, so we shouldn't get upset like we did when we went to Greece. Or we won't. There's no need to. So I'm trying to keep upbeat and positive, so come with us and I'll show you the journey. Jasmine's going to drive me to the airport this morning. We've got the drop-off thing where you do it for like 15 minutes or something, I think you have. Here she comes now. So we've got our cups of coffee ready to go, and I've got a little treat to take on the way. So the idea of doing this and doing it solo is because I've had a bit of anxiety around things, and I thought just embrace it. It's going to be all good. So we've got about a 50-minute drive to the airport, and then it looks like it's all clear. Going from Gatwick North as usual, and yeah, there's going to be a lot of vlogging going on. So if you are new to the channel, please subscribe so you can see all the hotels I get to go and look at as part of this adventure. It looks like it's time to go. We started out on the dreary M25 to leave England. I was doing very well to keep my positive thoughts in check, and so far so good.
Whenever you're lonely, just pick up the phone and call me. I'll be there. Girl, let me show you, you're my one and only.
Thanks to Jasmine for dropping me off. I know you all like to see her, so hi. So where are we going next? You and I, somewhere?
Thailand.
Yeah, I told them about that in the last, I did a talking head video.
How exciting.
Very exciting. So yeah, but I will say ta-ta to you, my love, for a couple days. No tears today because it's
not
only
today. No,
only a
I hope
couple
you
of
have
days.
fun.
Oh, it'd be great, thank you. I think it really helped because I knew I was only going for a couple of days. So I went and I checked in at the airport, went straight through security. It's a bit chaotic this morning. Feels a bit weird. I came in on a different level and I forgot, so I've got to go up the lift now to go up to departures, and I've only got this little bag, so I'm going to go straight through, which is cool.
And when I'm at home, I got no one to hold. Won't you tell me?
If you know me and you've been around a while, you'll know that I come in and have a little spray of the DKM, right? Thingy, and I thought I just sprayed this one, which was really nice, but this is the one that I normally have. And it's, look, I thought it was that one, but they smell totally different. Yeah, I do like that apple one. So, I might give myself one of them soon.
I'll be there. Your loneliness kills me, but your love.
Okay, so I just got my very small little LMS treats, but I just saw this, so I thought I'd update you on this. So there's something going on at the airport, I don't know what that is. Arriving soon, don't know. But I'm gonna go to Boots as usual to just stock up on meal deals and things like that. So I'm half bored this time, so I'm gonna need some food. It was time to get my Starbucks app out and order online before I arrived at Starbucks. So I've told you this before, I've done the usual trick of doing the online order so that you don't have to queue in Starbucks. Amazing. Right, so I'm good just to kind of sit here and do a few bits while I'll have my quick Starbucks. Feel like a proper vlogger filming in an airport. Feeling alright actually. Another part of this whole thing was to try and get out of my worry that I had after Greece. But yeah, I'm alright. I'm okay. I feel quite excited actually. Can't wait to show you some lovely hotels. It's going to be amazing.
It kills me, but your loving it thrills me.
So today I'm flying with EasyJet and they just text on the app. Sometimes it's no good, sometimes it's alright, and it's alright today. But sometimes it can be a bit delayed, so you do have to keep an eye on the departure boards and stuff as well. But time to go to the gate, and I always like to be there a little bit early. So yeah.
You give me hope and a way to cope.
So I've so far I'm well proud of myself. I've just realised you guys you'd have recently seen the haircut. I'm not feeling anxious, and I'm just, when those negative thoughts come in, I'm just brushing them away and replacing them with a good one, which isn't always easy to do, but I'm managing. Okay, in case you don't know this about Gatwick, you can go up over this big bridge thing. There's planes out there, can you see them? Okay, I can't look at them too much. But yeah, it's a big bridge thing that I'll show you. And I don't know if this takes you from north to south, or if it is just a bridge that takes you to different gates. I'm not too sure. I'm slightly anxious. In my big mouth, so I'm going to stop it. Before we boarded the aeroplane, we stood for ages on these steps, and I wasn't quite sure why, but I know there was some conversations going on about paperwork. But before we knew it, we was going towards the plane when my anxiety did start to kick in a little bit. So I just decided not to look at the plane, but to look at the steps in front of me. But when I got on the plane, I was delighted to find that I had a whole row to myself.
Welcome on board. This is just very shortly pushing back and departing to Tenerife. This morning with a flight time of approximately 4 hours and 30 minutes, slightly longer than usual. This is due to the headwinds we're facing along the way. My name is Carol. I'm the manager on today's flight.
I'm not an anxious flyer, and I'm not an anxious traveller. It's just the events of the past that happened recently made me so. But I was very pleased to say when we taxied off the runway, we took off. It was a beautiful takeoff. And it was time for a little nap. When I woke up, I saw that they had a gluten-free curry on the menu, and I ordered one, and it was actually really very delicious.
Ooh, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I could stare at you for 100 years and I never blink an eye. You were beautiful.
I did a little bit of writing while I was in the air, and it was flowing beautifully, and I felt like quite an amazing writer.
For a million miles and my feet would not get tired. Where you go, I'll go, winter or summer. I don't care the seasons change, 'cause darling, I'll stay right here with you. Every night and every day.
And it was only when we started coming into land, I'm not sure what I could see in the horizon, but I was actually okay. Normally that would be a trigger for me, but I was doing all right. I started to see the edges of the island where it was to meet the sea just before we landed.
Never been this close to heaven. I don't know if this is real or fantasy, or somewhere in between, or somewhere in between. Oh yeah. You could fall asleep for 100 hours and I wouldn't miss a thing. I would keep you safe while you were dreaming. You could scream and shout, cry 1,000 tears, and
I was hand luggage only, so I didn't have to wait for any cases, but we did get on a bus which took us across the runway. There was loads of planes just like randomly parked there.
the seasons change. 'Cause darling, I'll stay right here with you.
There was great accessible choices for those who needed it, and then I got through security and out the other side, and I did not expect the weather. I'd been watching at home and it had been apparently about 9 degrees, but that wasn't the case at all. It was actually 28.
Never felt something just like this. Ecstasy. Never been this.
I've rejiggled my bag, we're down. I can't remember where we're staying. We're going to have to try and figure that out. But I don't need my coat, so that's in there now.
Fantasy. Somewhere in between.
Didn't expect heat like this, honestly. It's like 25 degrees or something. Good, gorgeous sun. Just wait for the coaches, they're all lined up there, all that stuff on. Yeah, it should be good. About an hour and a half transfer I think I've got. I've only been to Tenerife once before, which was when the kids were about 4. So yeah, about 20 years ago. So We don't really know the area very well, so we'll explore it together. So I took the hour-and-a-half transfer, which was lovely. I always love this when you get to see the palm trees and you start to get used to looking at the landscape once again. Just before we reached these wind turbines, which again would normally be a trigger for me. And I wasn't doing too bad, but I wasn't quite as happy as I'd like to have been. When I arrived at my hotel, I was delighted to see that it was right on the strip and it was in amongst everything else. Now, I think going to Tenerife is very likely going to be one of the best things that happened to me. So please make sure you come along and watch the rest of the series. I think you're going to absolutely love it. Hey, doggy. Hey. Doggy.
If there are